If you want to keep your listing competitive without having to manually adjust your rates for every single night, smart pricing is a great tool to use. In this video, I will show you how to turn on this feature so your account can automatically adapt to local demand. Once you are logged into Airbnb, click on Switch to Hosting at the top right to reach your dashboard. Next, click on Listings and select the property you want to manage. You won't see pricing info on the main listing page, so you'll need to click on Calendar at the top. Once your calendar opens, look at the right-hand side under the Pricing tab. The third option down is Smart Pricing. You can simply flick this on or off at any time. When it's off, you have to manually enter a price for every date, but when you turn it on, Airbnb uses data like local demand, occupancy levels, and seasonal shifts to predict the best price for each night, just like hotels and airlines do. Don't worry, Airbnb doesn't just set any price, you still have control. You will be prompted to set a minimum nightly price, which ensures your rate never drops below a certain amount. You'll also choose a maximum nightly price to cap how high it goes. Just keep in mind that if you are running a specific promotion, the final price the guest sees could occasionally be lower than your set minimum. Once you've set your limits, click Save and your pricing will adjust itself based on the market. That's how you turn on smart pricing on Airbnb.